Hi, this is the tutorial for B minor. So we're going to write it up at the top. I'm using orange this time. And we write a lowercase m, that means minor. All right, remember C's on the top. For Connie, goes downstairs. That's the D scale that we did. That has 0 sharps. This has 1, and this has 2. And they are F sharp and C sharp. We just add a sharp each time. Like when there was 0, obviously there's 0, but when in G sharp there was an F sharp. And see how we keep the F sharp, but we added one more? All right, now below each major there is a minor that has the same number of sharps as that major. So from C, we go down 3 half steps to A. From G, and actually we just finish our saying, Connie goes downstairs, and underneath the minor is and, eats, banana. Hey, look, little pattern. All right, so the key of B has the same F sharp and C sharp as the major. So let's write that out here. Here's a B. Oh, C. There's a sharp right away. C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Those are the notes on the keyboard. Now coming down to the treble and the bass clef, we draw a treble clef and a bass clef. Treble clef, we're going to start on B. So let's start with the B right below middle C. B. And then C sharp. D, E, F needs a sharp, and the rest of the notes do not. Okay, now B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp. Oh, I put a little extra line for the sharp. B. All right, now in the bass clef, we're going to start on this second line up from the bottom as B. C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B. Repeat the B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, and we finish up on B. All right, that's what you have to do to have the worksheet. Now this is what's called the natural minor. That means it just shares the major key signature exactly the way it is, an F sharp and a C sharp. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, we're going to do harmonic. Okay, what we do for harmonic is we raise number 7. So if we count up here, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 has to go to an A sharp instead of an A. And then down here we would add a sharp on the A's. And that was the wrong sharp. There, you should pay closer attention than I did. Okay, now for the melodic, remember number 6 and 7 go up a half step when it's going up, and then they come back down to the natural when it's coming down. So we would do G sharp and A flat. And I'll just erase out, well, no, let's keep those, because the G sharp you'd use when you go up and the A sharp when you go up. But then you're going to come back to the A and the G when you go back down. So G sharp, we got to add in these G sharps. But when we come back down, we actually have to take away, very carefully erase. Okay, so you will print this out 3 times. I want you to write out the whole scale with the sharps and flats for number 1, for number 2, and for number 3. Now let's go over to the piano, and I'll show you how you play those. Okay, here's the right hand. 1, 2, 3, thumb under. Okay, that works. Look what happens though if we start and do the normal scale fingering for the left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We try to avoid a thumb on the black key. Sometimes we can't. But look, it's just like you have to reach up for it and then twist. Oh, that's too awkward. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on the 4th finger and play 4, 3, 2, 1. And then put your 4th over on that F sharp. 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now I got to remember, so you never play your pinky in your left hand. No pinky. It's just 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. But the right hand is going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go slow and let's get that together. Okay, now for the harmonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Now the melodic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back down. Okay, play all those and turn in those worksheets and you'll pass off those scales.